माइंड बूस्टर के टेस्ट सीरीज में आप सभी का स्वागत और अभिनंदन। क्लास 12th बायोलॉजी, चैप्टर नेम सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट। 35 मोस्ट important MCQ for first term examination. Question number first. A leaf cell of a flowering plant has 22 chromosomes, then the number of chromosomes would be 11 in gametes, 22 in gametes, 44 in embryos, 11 in a cell of a stem. The right answer is A, 11 in gametes. Question number 2. The micropyle in a seed help in the entry of water, pollen tube, male gamete, none. The right answer is A, water. Question number 3. How many meiotic division are necessary for the formation of 100 grains of wheat? 100, 125, 25, 50. The right answer is B, 125. Question number 4. The embryo sac of a typical dicot at the time of fertilization is 8-celled, 7-celled, 6-celled, 5-celled. The right answer is B, 7-celled. Question number 5. A bisexual flower which never open in its lifespan is called homogamous, heterogamous, dichogamous, clastogamous. The right answer is D, clastogamous. Question number 6. The position of shoot apex in monocot embryo is basal, lateral, terminal, subterminal. The right answer is B, lateral. Question number 7. Scutellum is a endosperm of gymnosperm, shield-shaped cotyledon of the monocots, protective covering of radicle, protective covering of plumule. The right answer is B, shield-shaped cotyledon of monocot. Question number 8. An ovule which become curved so that the nucleus and embryo lie at right angle to the funicle is camellotropous, anatropous, orthotropous, hymenotropous. The right answer is D, hymenotropous. Palynology is the study of pollen germination, pollen morphology, pollen development, arrangement of pollen grains. The right answer is A, pollen germination. Question number 10. Embryo sac is macrogametophyte, macrosporangium, megagametophyte, megasporangium. The right answer is C. Megagametophyte. Question number 11. Formation of embryo directly from nucleus and integument is adventid polyembryony, apogamy, apospory, apomixis. Right answer is A. Adventid polyembryony. Question number 12. The function of guiding and attracting the pollen tube is done by egg cell, antipodal cells, secondary nucleus, synergids. Right answer is D. Synergids. Question number 13. Secondary nucleus present in the middle of embryo sac is haploid, diploid, triploid, tetraploid. The right answer is B. Diploid. Question number 14. A diploid female plant is crossed with tetraploid male. The ploidy of the endosperm will be diploidy, triploidy, tetraploidy, pentaploidy. The right answer is C. Tetraploidy. Question number 15. Enter of pollen tube through chalazial end is syngamy, porogamy, basegamy, mesogamy. Right answer is C. Basegamy. Question number 16. Arrangement of nuclei in normal dicot embryo sac is 3 plus 3 plus 2, 2 plus 4 plus 2, 3 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 3. The right answer is C. 3 plus 2 plus 3. Question number 17. Which one of the following is resistant to enzyme action? Leaf cuticle, cork, wood fiber, pollen enzyme. The right answer is D. Pollen enzyme. Question number 18. Filiform apparatus is a characteristic feature of zygote, suspensor, egg, synergids. right answer is D. Synergids. Question number 19. Wind pollination is common in orchids, legume, lilies, grasses. The right answer is D. Grasses. Question number 20. Long ribbon-like pollen grains are seen in some aquatic plants, wind-pollinated grasses, gymnosperms, bird-pollinated. The right answer is A. Aquatic plants. Question number 21. Both autogamy and getonogamy are prevented in papaya, cucumber, castor, maize. The right answer is A. Question number 22. An organic substance that can withstand environmental extremes and cannot be degraded by any enzyme is cuticle, sporulin, lignin, cellulose. The right answer is B. Sporopollenin. Question number 23. Advantage of cleistogamy is vivipary, higher genetic variability, more vigorous offsprings, no dependence of pollinators. The right answer is D. No dependence on pollinators. Question number 24. Non-endospermic seeds are found in bean, gram, pea, all the above. The right answer is D. All the above. Question number 25. Non-albuminous seeds is produced in wheat, pea, maize, castor. The right answer is B. Pea. Function of filiform apparatus is to produce nectar, guide the entry of pollen tube, recognize the suitable pollen at stigma, stimulate division of generative cell. The right answer is B. Guide the entry of pollen tube. Question number 27. Which one of the following statement is correct? A. Proteinaceous allular one layer is present in maize grain. A sterile pistil is called a staminod. The seed in grasses is not endospermic. Mango is a parthenocarpic fruit. Right answer is A. Question number 28. Transmission tissue is characteristic feature of dry stigma, wet stigma, hollow style, solid style. The right answer is D. Solid style. Question number 29. Coconut water from a tender coconut is free nuclear endosperm, innermost layer of seed coat, degenerated nucellus, immature embryo. The right answer is A. Free nuclear endosperm. Question number 30. Apomictic embryo is citrus, arise from antipodal cells, diploid egg, synergids, maternal sporophytic tissue. The right answer is D. Maternal sporophytic tissue. Question number 31. Nuclear polyembryony is reported in species of Brassica, Citrus, Gossypium, Triticum. The right answer is B. Citrus. Question number 32. In a flowering plant, the pollen tube first arrives in egg, an antipodal cell, a synergid, central cell. The right answer is C. A synergid. Question number 33. Plants with ovaries having only one or a few ovules are generally pollinated by bees, butterflies, birds, wind. Right answer is D. Wind. Question number 34. Megasporangium is equivalent to ovule, embryo sac, fruit, nucellus. Right answer is D. Nucellus. Question number 35. Male gametophyte with least number of cell is present in Lilium, Pinus, Pteris, Funaria. The right answer is A. Lilium. Thank you for solving the 35 question of flowering plants. Join my biology class.